In today's video, I'll show you how to add a full 80s radio music pack to GTA Vice City with hours of classic songs, ads and news breaks. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Go back to WinRAR. Just drag and drop these MP3 files inside the MP3 folder. And now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, get into the car and using the mouse scroll bar, you need to select the MP3 player. Once you selected the MP3 player, you can hear the songs, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.